Hi everyone, welcome back to It's Dwight Cooking Show. Hi everyone, welcome back to It's Dwight Cooking Show. Today I'll be giving you a stir-fried chicken breast recipe that I hope you guys enjoyed. Here's my chicken breast that has been pre-seasoned overnight, and you know I love to do that. Now here's a list of the seasoning now that I put in this recipe, and there you see my bell pepper in many different colors because I just love when my dish has a lot of colors. Let's go. So guys, what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna saute the chicken. Just to get it at the texture and color that I want, and then I add the rest of ingredients. I know you haven't seen me in a while guys, but it's been crazy for me because I work. So I'm just gonna try now to get back in the saddle. I want to thank all my supporters out there. Gonna turn down the stove a bit. See that guys? It's a very simple recipe guys. Not much technique in it. It's just how you want to season your meat. Just gonna wipe up because it's flashing the oil all over. So guys, when next you see me, I'll be adding the rest of ingredients to this dish. Just a simple dish. I'm gonna throw some garlic cloves that are sliced to give it that nice flavor, garlicky flavor, if there's such a word. And I'm gonna add my diced onion. Wanna make sure the stove is on medium. And I'm gonna add my orange and yellow bell pepper. Guys, you know I love when my dish is beautiful with just the colors popping out. Look at that already. And then I'm gonna add the red bell pepper. Just a simple sauteed chicken recipe, and I use the chicken breast. If you have the leg or the thigh, you can debone it and cut it up to your specifications and then cook it. So guys, I'm just gonna let the herbs simmer and then I'll get back to you. Okay guys, I'm back. Now for that sweet taste, I'm gonna add my honey sauce and just mix that in. Look at those beautiful color guys. I add some carrots to the dish as well, pre-cooked carrots. Okay guys, so Now that you see the gravy is down to the level that you want it to, you know that it's almost there. So guys, when next you see me, I want you to join me at the table. Just a short and simple recipe for the weekend. Yes guys, look at this beautiful stir-fried chicken breast recipe, guys. I hope you guys really enjoy. Please remember to share my video, to like and to comment. I thank all my loyal supporters that has been with me over the years.